In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload video on Webflow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add video to a page using Webflow's built-in tools, plus a few practical tips to make it look and load great. First, open your browser and head to your Webflow account. From your workspace dashboard, locate the site you want to update and open it in the designer. This brings you into the canvas where you can visually build and edit your pages. Once you're in the designer, open the Add panel. In the search bar, type Video to quickly find the video element. Drag the video element onto the section or container where you want it to appear. With the element selected, look to the right in the element settings. Here, you'll paste a link from a hosting platform like YouTube or Vimeo. As soon as you paste a valid URL, Webflow will automatically embed the player for you. This is ideal for long videos or anything that benefits from the streaming, captions, and playback controls those platforms provide. If you prefer to upload a video file directly into Webflow, use the background video component instead. Open the Add panel again, search for background video, and drag it onto the page. Click the upload prompt and choose an MP4 file under Webflow's size limit. Keep in mind, background videos are designed for visual motion rather than full audio playback, so they're muted and loop by default. They're perfect for hero sections and subtle animated backgrounds. After uploading, you can replace the poster image to control what shows before the video starts, and you can adjust how the video fills its container. Next, fine-tune layout and responsiveness. Use containers, grid or flexbox, to position your video neatly, and check common breakpoints to make sure it scales well on tablet and mobile. For embedded videos, most sizing is handled automatically, but it's still a good idea to keep your video inside logical wrappers with padding or max widths for a polished look. Performance matters with any kind of media. Compress your MP4s before uploading background video, and keep durations short to reduce load times. For embeds, set your privacy and caption settings on YouTube or Vimeo, and consider customizing the thumbnail there for a clean first impression. When everything looks right, click Publish and choose your domain to push changes live. Give the page a quick test after publishing to confirm playback, and you're done. You've successfully added video to your Webflow site, whether by embedding a hosted link or uploading a background video for that cinematic